Welcome to Aasai Rasai. I'm back with another recipe. It's been a while, I know, but I haven't really had the time to upload anything, and this video I have been trying to edit and upload for quite a while. So finally I am sitting at it today. I'm about to make a beetroot leaf sambol. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it because it's typically not something that we eat in Sri Lankan cuisine. This is something new, so I hope you will like it because I found it to be really delicious. The raw beetroot leaf sambol. The leaves have to be washed really well. What I did was I put it under running water and just kind of literally scrubbed it with my hand. I'm not using the beet roots itself because they, take a little while for me to grate and stuff, but I just want to make it with the leaves today. So shred the leaves as finely as you can, as we do in a lot of the malungs and sambols. I wouldn't try to make this as a malung because if I heat up the leaves, they're just gonna break down and become really soggy and watery. So I highly recommend doing this, keeping this as a sambol, just a raw sambol. I'm only making what I need for today. I shredded the whole bunch, but half of it is in the fridge and I'm using just this. This is not a sambol that you can make way ahead of time and leave because the lime juice tends to wilt the leaves and it becomes kind of soggy. If you want to keep the crunch and maintain the freshness, then I suggest making this sambol just before you serve the meal. Now I'm going to first add all the ingredients except the coconut and mix it up, and then lastly add the coconut so that there's some contrast in the sambol. But if you want the coconut to stay white, then shred the leaves, put in the fridge overnight, and then make the sambol. That way the coconut will still stay white. It won't take on the pink color of the beetroot leaves. And I actually didn't know that beforehand until it was like an accidental discovery. I had chopped the leaves just like this with this same batch, but the other ones were refrigerated overnight, and when I took it out to make, I mixed the coconut and the coconut stayed white. It didn't turn pink like this. So if you want your sambol to have the white coconut, that's a really neat way to do it. Otherwise the coconut is going to turn pink. Anything that you put in the freshly cut beet leaves is going to take on the beet color. It's a very neat sambol too. I love that it's a pink for a change. And the next picture that I'm just about to show you, hold on. Yeah, this is the one that I made the next day, and you see it's well mixed and the coconut is white. I really hope you like this sambol, and if you do give it a try, leave your comments. I'd love to hear back from you. Until next time, stay subscribed to Aasai Rasai to get alerts on new videos and be in touch. Thanks for watching.